2 words, spaghetti lasagna. I found this recipe today and thought, hey, why not give it a whirl? All the details will be in the captions below. I did make my own sauce, but you can use any jar sauce you like. I used 1 can tomato sauce, a can of diced tomatoes, and a bunch of seasonings. And as always, say it with me everyone, season till you're sneezing. I used 1 packet of spaghetti mix and then salt and pepper, seasoned to taste. Now give it a good stir. After mixing everything together, I then added in my ground beef. With an hour left on my crockpot, I then threw in my spaghetti noodles. Now this is where the lasagna part comes in. You mix together about half a tub of ricotta cheese, so 8 ounces, and then 4 ounces of cream cheese, which would be half a block. Scoop it over the spaghetti, try to layer it like you would lasagna. Add in mozzarella or provolone, I used a mix of both, and cook it on low for 30 minutes to melt the cheese. Now for the reveal. I actually like this quite a bit, and would definitely make it again to spice up spaghetti night. I wouldn't say it tastes like lasagna, but it's adjacent and very creamy. So if you're looking for something to spice up spaghetti night, I say give it a go, and as always, thanks for watching.